Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So let me turn this fan off because it's loud. So today you should have started off watching Tazima Maya art. After Tazzy, you should watch Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. Now you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, we have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, we have the Sis Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. And after her, we have our Hippy Dippy Painter Man and sometimes Cat. So if you missed anybody before me, please go back and watch. Stick around after me because they are amazing people. And as we know, just super awesome artists and just love them to pieces. All right, so I'm kind of addicted to these ribbon pours now. So I'm going to do another one. I promise I'll get off of them soon. But I'm going to do another star. I've just sanded this down. It was an old one that I didn't like how it turned out. I'm just going to take my cup. I'm going to try this time, and I'm going to put less amounts of paint in so there's more different colors. So I've got my colors out here. I will tell you them as I put them in the cup, and let's just have some fun with it. I will just play some music, and you guys can watch.
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, with this something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, like me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, like me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was to me. Yeah, you can turn me upside down, turn my heart inside out, but I can't now. Yeah, do it again. Sleep is for the dead and love is for the wicked. Play me till I repeat a phrase. Turn me upside down, do it again, just do it again. Yeah. Guess I'm lost in the fun park now. Like a merry-go-round, drove a spiral going down. Yeah, I've been racing you all through town. There's no limit to your speed, never ever time to beat. No, we just fired away without a second to ensure what we signed up for. I won't play it this way, no, no more. You'll be out the door till you're back for more. I know what you're gonna say. I know what you'll do to me. I know I'm not gonna stay. Try to get up, you're dragging me down. Better back off, I'll turn it around. All the once and for all. Boy, you're too late, I'm standing my ground. Finally free and on the rebound. All the once and for all. You've been up underneath my skin. No one's ever gonna win, so we might as well get in now. Still the fights always leave a thrill. I can imagine how I will. You go on, I know the drill now. I've been getting high from this drug for longer than I know. Now it's time to go. I'm not letting you push me around, so should have let you know a long time ago. I know what you're gonna say. I know what you'll do to me. I know I'm not gonna stay. Try to get up, you're dragging me down. Better back off, I'll turn it around. All the ones and for all. All the ones and for all. All the ones and for all. You're too late, I'm standing my ground. Finally free and on the rebound. All the ones and for all. All the ones and for all. All the ones and for try to get up, you're dragging me down. Better back off, I'll turn it around. Try to get up, you're dragging me down. Better back off, I'll turn it around. All the ones and for all. I'm standing my ground. Finally free on the rebound. All the ones and for all. It's over. It's over.
Now I'm done. Don't touch it, Kristy. Hey, don't touch it. I'm done. All right, let me bring this up, get it put on something, and I can wipe off the bottom. And I really like the colors on this one. It's really super pretty. I like how it, by putting less of the colors in at a time, you know, like just put in a little bit of each color. I like the way it gave the more lines in the designs, you know, the different colors, if that makes sense. Okay. You know what I mean. You guys know me well enough to know what I'm talking about, hopefully. All right, let me grab something and I will bring you guys down for a close-up. Let's see, how do I want to put this? I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. We'll figure that out here in a minute. Let me wipe this off again. Ugh. Ooh, my hands. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, we got this. Okay. Done. All right, let me bring you guys down for a close-up. All right, guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. It's so fun. It really, really is. I mean, the colors are just super cool. I don't know. It's just neat to see what you can come up with and what it looks like when you pour it out. So Yeah, it's really super cool. This is like my favorite with the yellow in there, and it just it really turned out super cool. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. You know I love hearing from you. It's fun. If you guys haven't tried this, you really got to try it. Okay, so all right, guys. Up next we have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After her, we have Sis Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And then after her, we have Hippy Dippy Painter Man and maybe Cat. So don't go anywhere. Stick around. We've got a lot left to see. And I hope you guys have a great day or great night wherever you are. And I will see you guys on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.